Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Twi language lesson. So today is a song translation. The song is called Shrek by Becca featuring Bisa Kdei. I think I've realized that, honestly, I think Bisa Kdei does a lot of Twi in his music, so it'd be hard to find a song of his that doesn't actually have Twi. But this one is for the lovers out there, you know, the romancists of the romantics. Enjoy your Friday night, man. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, which is not very much. I remember most of all, God is watching you, okay? That's right. So yeah, I'm gonna play it twice for you guys. It's just the chorus section, and then we'll go through and do the breakdown. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. No, I'm not going to say subscribe. No, I'm not going to say comment. No, I'm not going to say like, because you know what? Life is too short. I'm not going to force anybody to do anything that they don't want to do, right? So even better, don't even watch this video, yeah? Click that X button and you go and sleep. Go and sleep. Good night.
Mami teach you mutenkoa esichenye wono dikumi shed your diary 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 you made me so beautiful shed your diary made my life so meaningful all the serious no Enishashema kumemu wakasem dete biogumasu shed your diary wapipa marewo nyina wahimami dichi mutenkoa esichenye wono dikumi shed your diary 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 you made me so beautiful shed your diary, made my life so meaningful.
Okay, so the first line is Odesirie ashe mano. Odesirie ashe mano. So the yellow parts of these presentations is to show you what it's meant to mean before I break it down and end up maybe confusing you. So all that means is he fills my mouth with laughter, aka he makes me laugh. He makes me laugh. So ode, the o at the start of that word is actually coming from ono, which means he or she. But because we obviously know that she is talking to a male, that's why I just kept it as he. Sirie, sirie is laughter. Ashe or she. She. That H and Y makes a sh sound like that in the word shirt. And she is to wear or put on something. It's often used in reference to items of clothing. Mano. Mano. Ano is your mouth. Mano, my mouth. He fills my mouth with laughter. He makes me laugh. The next line is Enije ashe makumemu. Enije ashe makumemu. So my heart is filled with happiness, fills my heart with gladness. Enije. Enije is happiness. If you say, oh, meniaje. Meniaje, I am happy. I'm glad. Enije. Again, that word ashe. Ashe, to wear or to put on. Akoma. Akoma is your heart. And again, makuma. Makuma, my heart. Makuma, my heart. Makumemu. Makumemu, inside my heart. Makumemu. It's like he or she has put happiness in my heart. Enije ashe makumemu. Enije ashe makumemu. Waka asem de debi egumasum. Waka asem de debi Egumasum. All that means is he sweet talks me. He says sweet things in my ears. Waka, waka, ka, coming from the word kasa, kasa, which means to speak. It can mean a language, speech in general. Asem dede, asem dede, asem is words. Dede is something which is sweet or nice. You normally use it maybe for food. Hey, Aduane we ede pa. Aduane we ede pa. This food is really nice. Egumasum. Egumasum. So into my ears. Asum is not quite your ear. Asum is your ear, but I feel like asum is the area from your ear down to sort of your chin. You know, if someone was meant to slap you, that area that your palm would make contact with, that to me is asum. Because you often hear it in all these Ghanaian movies like, hey, wabo masum, have you slapped me? But it's not quite the ear, but as I'm saying, it's that area where, you know, when people are going to slap someone, it's that little bit, you know what I'm talking about, that space, asum. Hwɛ deɛ ɔdɔ ayɛ me. Hwɛ deɛ ɔdɔ ayɛ me. Look what love has done to me. Hwɛ. Hwɛ is to look. Ɔdɔ. Ɔdɔ is love. Ayɛ me. Done to me. Hwɛ deɛ ɔdɔ ayɛ me. Wapepa marehu nyinaa. Wapepa marehu nyinaa. All that means is you've wiped away all my sorrow or all my sadness. Wapepa. If you say pepa is to wipe. Marehu. Arehu is sorrow, sadness, deep sadness. I guess that is sorrow. Arehu. So marehu, my sorrow, my sadness. Nyina, nyina, all. You've wiped away all my sadness. You've wiped away all my sorrow. Ohima midi trimude kwa. Ohima midi trimude kwa. This one's a hard one. So from my understanding, this means, well, Ohima is a queen, of course. But Chimude, I even asked my mom and she was explaining it to me in Twi. That doesn't really help, does it? No, it doesn't. It doesn't help at all. So Chimude is like you have a swollen head. She was sort of saying along the lines of, see, I'm about to speak Twi. I can't even explain it myself. A bit of an attention seeker type of person. I don't know, guys. But at least you can get the word queen from this one. Queen. So we're just going to take it as a queen who is swollen headed, yeah? With a big head. She's feeling herself, that kind of thing. Let's take it as that. Esichire ni ewo na odi kume. Esichire ni ewo na odi kume. So you're killing me with sugar and honey is pretty much what this is saying. I've just picked out a few words for you guys to keep in mind. So esichire is sugar. Ewo. Remember that backwards C that we have in our letters or alphabet is an O sound. O, wo is honey. Na odi kume. Ku is to kill. And then me is me, my, or I. So you're killing me with sugar and honey. So you're treating me well. You're making my life sweet. You're making my life, you know, beautiful. Because sugar and honey aren't bad things. So yeah, he's killing me, or he or she is killing me with sugar and honey. And finally, hwɛ deɛ ɔdɔ ayɛ me. Hwɛ deɛ ɔdɔ ayɛ me. Look what love has done to me. So hwe is to look. Hwe is to look. Odo and do is love or to love. Ayeme, done to me. Ayeme, look what love has done to me. And this is repeated about 3 or 4 times in the chorus. Hwe de odo ayeme. Test yourself. Akoma. Ohima. Asem dede. Onu. Mepe esichire ni ewo. Leave your answers in the comment section.